MR029E tester video. Let's connect the wires first. Our battery is a 12-volt battery. The input of this controller is 24 volts, so we connect two batteries in series. The current battery has a 24-volt output which provides power. The controller has been powered on and it has lit up. This is the input of the wind turbine generator. We connect the wind turbine output on the power box to it. This is the input terminal of the solar panel power generation. This is the output of the solar panel on the power box. We connect the two solar panels in series. Connect the input and output ends. This is also the output of this controller, 24 volts DC. We connect it to an inverter, and the inverter also has a 24-volt input. The inverter converts it into a 110 volts DC output. Next, we power on. Turn on the fan and light source switches and adjust the knobs. The light bulb and fan are running. Use a multimeter to reach 200 volts DC and measure the output voltage of the solar panel. After two solar panels are connected in series, the output voltage is about 27.6 volts. Then we create a DC of 750 volts and measure the output voltage of the wind turbine and the power generation voltage. About 17 volts DC. We can observe its voltage through the controller. This is the voltage issued by the solar panel, about 28.8 volts. Switch it. This is the voltage generated by the wind turbine. This is the hydraulic pressure of the battery, charging the battery. This is the speed of the wind turbine. We can also use software to monitor its value. We're equipped with a USB adapter. Plug it into the output port of the inverter and plug the USB into the computer. This is the software of our controller. Open it and select the second one. Then select RS232 connection. Then click the first insert setting in the upper left corner. Then click Automatic Configuration and then click the top hole connection. Now the COM port is connected. Click the second one again. Let's wait a moment. You can see that this is the voltage of the solar panel. This is the voltage and current of the wind turbine. This is the voltage of the battery. Okay, that's it.